Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI, and I am standing in what is probably the worst part of my home as far as lighting. Thanks to this super awesome flush night light from VocgoUU, we have now solved one of the lighting issues in our home. This is a 12-inch in diameter night light, so it provides lots of bright light. You can choose from an LED option or a yellow light or a third option, which is a somewhat in the middle for your lighting. Once you have chosen that, you will literally need just 5 minutes or less to install the light. You can see how we put it into a pantry closet in our home, and when my daughter opened the door, she said, "Now I know what's in the closet." And you can definitely agree, because now that we have that light installed, we can see everything super clear. So we tied this into another light in our home, but how it works is you have different settings. So once you place it into your wiring, you want to turn the light switch on for full lighting. Then you can turn it off and return it on, and that will give you the medium option. And then the third option is just a very nice outer ring night light. So you could leave that on if you place this in a spot where you need some lighting at night to provide a little bit of night light. The bright light feature is absolutely my favorite, because you really get so much lighting adding into any space that you would put this in. My husband was super happy because it took so little time to put it in, and I would definitely recommend picking up this super awesome night light. Very easy installation, and it will really add such brightness to your space. And that's my point of view.